How do you join AIIS? Well, you ask a current AIIS associate in your hometown for an invite. What do I mean by an invitation? When you register in the AIIS platform, you will need a verification code and an invitation code. The AIIS associate will be able to guide you through filling out the registration form. Once you have registered, you will see a pop-up screen with some information about joining the company. The last paragraph states, and I quote, "We offer excellent benefits and welcome ambitious individuals to join us in this AI revolution, working with cutting-edge technology, benefit from the rapid growth of smart investments, and help more people achieve wealth growth." End quote. Once you X out of the pop-up screen, you see the home screen. And this is where you work, earn bonuses, and buy AI bots. There is one screen I want to bring to your attention. And this is something I don't need to talk about when I train new members. But because this is YouTube, and YouTube is a worldwide social media platform, this is important. If you click on the menu icon at the upper left-hand corner, at the bottom of the menu, you will see the English icon with the American flag. When you click on the English icon, you will see a list of languages. AIIS is available in 8 languages: English, German, French, Portuguese, Spanish, Italian, Japanese, and Greek. So, AIIS is for everyone, regardless of age, economic class, and even regardless of language. So, that is all for today. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button below for future notifications, and click the like button to share this content with other AI investors. Take care, and I will see you next time.